In this video, we will guide you through process of creating a professional bill book for a service center using Marathi font in MS Word. So let's start the video. Go to Layout, select Narrow from Margin. Go to Design, click on Page Border, select Box Border. Change the border color, then OK. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rounded Rectangle. Drag the yellow dot to the right side. Go to Shape Fill, change the color. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Text Box, drag it. Select No Fill from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it No Outline. We are using Google Translator for Marathi font. Write Shri in Marathi here. Select and increase the font size. Make it bold and change the font color also. Center your content. Duplicate the text box. Select both. Go to Format, then Align Center and Align Middle. And group them. Now, select this text box. Add mobile number. Select, go to Format and change the font color. Go to Picture. I have downloaded logos from Google. Select them and insert it. Duplicate the text box. Add your shop name here in Marathi. Select and increase the size. Center your content. Make it bold and adjust like this. Go back to Insert. Click on Shape. Select Line. Drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline. Increase width size. And also change the outline color. Select both from Selection pane. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Go to Home. Remove bold and reduce the size. Add tagline of your service center here. Again, select both from Selection pane. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate and reduce the size. Add some description of your service center here. Increase width of your line. Duplicate the text box. Reduce the size. Add address here. Duplicate the line. Go to Format, then Align Center and adjust here. Duplicate the text box. Add name in Marathi. Align left. Duplicate the line and reduce the line size. Go to Shape Outline. Reduce the width of the line to 1 point. Select both. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Add kilometer here. Again, press Ctrl Shift to duplicate and add vehicle number here. Duplicate the line. Go to Rotate. Select Rotate right 90 degree. Adjust here and reduce the size. Duplicate the text box. Add bill book number here and add date also. Duplicate the line, set it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Table, select 4x3 table. Select Table and select All Border from Border to change the color. Go to Home and select Center your content and also change the color. Decrease font size and add serial number, description, quantity, rate and total in each column. Adjust it like this. Duplicate the text box. Add thank you here. Make it bold. Increase font size. Add shop name here so that on the top of it you can do your signature. So see friends, you have learned the process of creating a professional bill book for a service center using Microsoft Word. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.